Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar on the 1 hour time frame did break structure to the upside, so the trend is definitely back up. Which really, I mean, it's not surprising at all if you go to the higher time phase. I mean, I've been saying how bullish I've been on these pairs for a very long time. There's really nothing stopping this from being like a wave one, a wave two, and then it goes up and makes a wave three, four, and five. If you saw my full top-down analysis on the Aussie dollar, then the exact same thing applies to this, which means that we are likely only in a very early stages of an uptrend for either a wave A or a wave one. So very bullish on the higher time frames. Now I don't disagree that if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like it should be due for a pullback, but you need to trust what you see on the higher time frames. Because of the higher time frames, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs. Now I have no idea whether it's going to go down today or not. I'm just saying if it does drift down, that's actually great news for us, not to go short, but in order to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. I really wouldn't be surprised if this was a wave one, this is a wave two, and we're currently in a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.